Lisa B, your local neighborhood realtor, and today I want to talk to you about the importance of staging. Buyers purchase homes based on how they feel, and I can't tell you how many times I have taken a client through a home that checks off all of their boxes, and yet they leave and they say it didn't feel right. This is why staging is so important. It helps the buyer feel amazing about the home that they just walked through. So if you're wondering if you need to stage your home, the answer is yes. At the very least, you need to have a professional stager walk through your home and help you determine what items should be left out for display and which items you should pack. So when you stage a home, statistics show your home will actually sell faster, you'll get more offers, and you'll also get higher offers because people feel amazing about the space. The whole goal of this is to make buyers feel amazing when they're walking through your home, and they need to be able to visualize their things in the home. And oftentimes, what we own and collect is very distracting. So we want to declutter the home and set it up so that it has a feel where any buyer, no matter what their likes are, can walk through the home and imagine themselves living there. And keep in mind, if it's a completely empty room, many people cannot visualize, does my 9-foot couch fit? How am I going to arrange things? By having furniture, and not just any furniture that people would love to have in their home, when you have it arranged and set up, people can say to themselves, oh, I can see exactly how I would set up my things. Or they might even say, I love the look of this room so much, and they might even ask if the furniture is for sale. We've had that happen oftentimes, and some of the furniture is available to purchase. So this home is a perfect example. Their house was filled with all of their belongings. And it was very distracting, even for me as a professional, to really get a feel of what buyers are going to feel like when they walk through the home. They did an amazing job moving everything out. We repainted, took off wallpaper, and had stagers come in, and it's a whole new home. You'd be amazed at the difference this really makes. Take a look for yourself. So if you like this information, go ahead, subscribe and leave a comment. I'd love to hear if you've ever staged your house or how that impacted the sale of your home. I really appreciate all of your support in building this community, so I hope you can see the value that staging brings. If you have questions about selling your home, feel free to reach out and call. I'd love to sit down with you and talk about what that process looks like and go over some things that you can do to your home to be able to get the most amount of money when you're ready to sell.